Hello and welcome to 6143 Pearce Avenue. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath in the city of Lakewood, California. We're on a quiet residential street, and if you don't know about Lakewood, California, amazing school district, super close to LA and also to Orange County. You're kind of nestled right in between. Okay, so let's go ahead. I won't bury the lead here. Let's walk inside. So this home was built in 1943, and there's been some additions since. Some things that are original, these stunning wood floors, and we'll see some crown molding throughout that are original to the home. So we start off in the living room. We get a preview of this gorgeous kitchen. Let's check that out first. The kitchen is one of my favorite parts of this home. We have the beautiful hooded stove here, stainless steel. And this kitchen was extended. It wasn't always this size, so that's pretty cool to be able to have this kitchen. You can really walk around. We have timeless fixtures here on the cabinetry, enamel sink, this stunning door here. Oh my goodness. Lots of details here that you really won't find anywhere else. And then one great surprise you'll see, walk-in pantry. So what this home might lack in maybe like size, you definitely get in storage, which is really cool. So this home is, actually it's just over 1,100 square feet, 1,118 square feet to be exact. We have our closet here. And I won't show you all the closets because they pretty much look the same, but it's just nice that there's so many of them. And we see one bedroom to the right, another to the left. Let's go to this one first. Okay, we look around, we can see a closet here. We'll have some sliding closet doors there. Can see the crown molding throughout, and we'll come out to the hallway, and this room would make a really great study or maybe the room for the kiddos. And we have another closet off in the corner. Make our way down the hallway, we see another closet here on the right, and another full room here. Got the closet off to the right. Great for maybe a full bed or an office area. Let's check out the bathroom. Here's your bathroom. This is a full bath. You have a classic tile and tub combination here. Let's check out the backyard because we are not done yet. You won't believe how huge this backyard is. If you're familiar with Lakewood, if you're familiar with really any California lots, you'll probably know that this lot is rather massive for the area. I'm gonna walk all the way back so you can see what we're working with. As you can see, it looks like the neighbors have already started building an ADU in the back, and trust me, you have enough space to do the same. Amazing. Let's go inside the garage. Here's a gate that leads out into the driveway. And here's a garage. This would make not only, of course, your laundry room, but a really great she shed, gym, office space if you decide. Really great. Here is the bathroom. You have a nice half bath here, so if you're having a little get together back here, nobody has to use your bathroom inside. I love, love, love that. Okay, let's go ahead and head out the front door. This home is listed at $875,000. If you're interested in scheduling a private showing, go ahead and reach out to me. My information is down below or in the description. Don't miss out on this super quiet neighborhood, y'all, because I love, love, love it here.